Kuma riria thirikari ya Jubilee yaiyukirie wathani, miako itiganite niareganite gukumanyitanire na thirikari cia kaunti. Imwe ya miako eno ni reri ya kiriu ya SGR, barabara, nyumba cia guikarwo icagi-ini, oro hamwe na cia maabitha a borithi. Akiaria mutongoria wa bururi ni amenereirie uria miako eno ikoretwo igitwarithio kaunti-ini, akiuga ati aria maratabania mihang'o iyo makoretwo makihuthira wara niguo makungie mbeca imwe.
Which 40 tonner is going to my village in Ishaweri. That you need to build a road to carry 40 tons, and the biggest truck that comes from Ishaweri is carrying majani ya chai, which is less than 10 or 20 kg. Yani, siyo ni kuiba. Jamen.
Oho ni amenereirie ungumania honge-ini imwe ta icukiro cia meri, undu uria oigite ati aria marugamireire honge icio mabatie kuhurana na undu ucio kaimana, na niguo gutwarithia na mbere honge icio kuona maga gwika uguo thirikari ni gukorwo ikiyethera aria makuruhanitio.
There is corruption in the port and we know it. Deal with that. You stop it there. Yeah? Let us work together to identify who amongst the people in this room are the thieves. But you must first of all make sure that they don't have access to your port. That is the bottom line.
Ningi president ni atariirie bata wa kunyitanira na honge cia andu kiumbe hari waki, akiuga ati no yo njira iria njega gutigirira miako eno ni yarikirira na ihinda riria riagiriire.
With the infrastructure deficit that we have, unless we are going to say we are going to wait for the next 50 years, we need to cooperate and to partner with private sector. And I believe that it is possible.
Ihoya riake kuri a Kenya ni guikia mateta mao riria mona maundu matirathie wega, na oho kuheana njira iria ingihuthika niguo kugacirithia makiria uthii wa na mbere. Miario no arekereirie thingira-ini wa iregi hindi ya mucemanio wa gubanga uthii wa na mbere ruhonge-ini rwa miako. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiku.